Hi guys, I'm Dee from Cake to Vine. Welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how I use the FMM Easiest Rosed Ever Cutter. Just a side note, I don't normally wear gloves when it comes to modelling. I just don't feel I have enough control over the sugar paste. But in this case, I was getting over a nasty cut thanks to me being a bit overzealous with an X-Acto knife. But it's healing nicely though. So here I am rolling couture sugar paste as thin as possible. This has added Tylo, but you could get even better results with gum paste. I'm now using the cutter twice to form 2 layers of petals for 1 rose. Then balling a small piece of sugar paste, forming it into a teardrop shape. This will be your bud. Now placing your petals onto a foam mat and using a ball tool to first thin out the edges and then pushing outwards in a circular motion for each petal. I highly recommend using a metal ball tool, not a plastic one. I just find the plastic ones really stick to the sugar paste. Brush a small amount of water through half the petals and fold the top half over. Then firmly pressing along the petals and then flipping the whole thing over. And again, a touch of water. Then grabbing your bud and place into the center of an end petal and overlap both sides. Do your best to hide the bud completely. You do not want to see the inside of the bud. Now rolling in, and with each petal try to manipulate the edges to give it a more delicate look. Now repeat on the second row of petals.